bear with me. SPX, QQQQ. Okay, done. VIX is dumping. SPY is going down. Price of control and is right there. Okay, let me open a few more. So you see the chart right now, temporary right here. You see where we are right now. We have the support line here already. What I learn is cool, calm, and compose. Cool, calm, and compose. We care about is our 20% share. That's it. We don't want 100%. So let market do whatever they want to do. Alrighty. Man, AMD reached our price target. Wow, look at that every end phase. Guys, look at that end phase, huh? Man, if you would have hold that end phase, would have been great today. Okay. Okay. Alright, JP Morgan. All the bank will be super duper vulnerable. So weakness, AMC going up, okay. AMD going down. Apple. Wow, Tesla has a lot of weakness. Tesla broke the floor. Wow, Tesla wants to go down. Wow, Tesla has a lot of pressure. Super duper pressure, Tesla. Imagine, you can imagine. Wow, imagine. Okay, I'm in Tesla put 280. $280 strike. Too expensive. Sorry, too expensive puts are okay, so be careful. $2.59 paid. SPY is at the price of control line. QQQ already broke the price of control line, and the VIX is the bank D entering into bear territory. Okay, keep eyes on daily chart. 1 second. So let's take a look at Tesla. We have how far Tesla looking support right there. Tesla has a support. Okay, so let's see. 30 minutes. Tesla broke the support. Okay, so next support is right here. That's the next support, guys. Watch out right here. Slight support is here. If this breaks, then we're gonna go down to here, but that is the critical support. Give us some time. This is the Tesla layout. They might bounce because all the bears are also, remember, a lot of bears since yesterday. And they're gonna put all the bears on the bottom and they take a U-turn. That's why you gotta be very careful, because market has agenda. They think everything is bearish and then take a U-turn. Remember, that's why you gotta be very, very careful. Always, everything we gotta keep it in mind. Amazon just broke. Amazon broke the floor right there. Right, this is your support line on Amazon. Apple is holding strong. Google is holding strong today. This is the support to watch on Google. Google is below $100, guys. So this is your Tesla support. N phase is like, I don't want to wait, guys. You can wait. I want to go down. N phase. I can't wait it. Guys, N phase put, the one which I bought was like, remember other day, $6 is now $30. $30. $6 is $30. N phase. I sold it at the loss, just to let you know. I sold it at a loss other day. Right now, N phase is the best candidate. Everybody wanted to do N phase, ENPS. Remember N phase? Look at the N phase target right here. 267.
Both look good. Do you mind looking at that, Josh?
What? No, guys, be careful. N phase right here, support, major support. Woohoo! Right there. If that support breaks, then maybe it can roll more. But right here, look at that.
It's about to break.
Yeah, look like, but you never know, man. You never know. Always never buy the support. It looks like, and they break it and they bounce. That's the trick. So yeah, that's the support. If it breaks, I'll put an alert. It broke support. Oh, look like doing it right now. Oh, doing it right now. Look like doesn't want to wait. Look at that market. Look at that. Tesla is printing. Tesla is printing.
Apple's up
Wow, 41%
25%.
up. Tesla. Okay. Let me see where Tesla is now, guys. Okay, I'm in a Tesla, so let me check. Tesla is now 30 minutes. Okay, no mainland zone right now, Tesla. No mainland zone. Tesla, but there is a little support coming in right here at 276.89. 276.89 support coming in. Yep. Market bouncing, VIX is popping. Look at the SPY got a green candle and the Tesla wants red candle. Look at the pressure on Tesla. Wow, imagine, man. Wow, loving it. Tesla, I found the Tesla 52.3% up. They will bounce. Okay, let me see now. The moment they try to come, try to put my order. Wow, Tesla is, guys, printing, literally printing. Look like I still need to wait. I was about to sell, but I feel like no, 66%, man. So look at that. We are right there. Wow. 71%. 70, we have broke that support too. 71%. Wow, 79, 80% profit on Tesla. Okay. I'm trying to take 81%. Should I wait for 100 or should I just take the money?
Take profits.
80% right here. I'm just watching the candle and 85, so okay. Already there, man. Green candle coming in. Pressure is right there. Let me see. Market trying to bounce. Wow, market was bouncing actually, literally. Market was bouncing. Okay, now it's bouncing. Apple giving up. Look at that Apple. Apple giving up now. Right now, Apple turn. Now Apple trying to break the floor. Right here is a support to watch. Apple. Apple is testing the floor. Microsoft is going high. Remember this, Microsoft, they are using Microsoft. Okay, Apple LOD. Okay, wow, sold 100% profit. Exact, I sold it at 100% profit. I know. And can you believe it? The asking price, it was showing me $5, and I put it at $5.20, and it got executed 15% more. I mean, 15 cents more, it got executed. That's why you got to put your price there every time. Guys, I'm done for the day. My quota is achieved. All right, wonderful, guy. That was a great Tesla. Look at that now. Still wants to go, but you know, I don't like to be greedy. You see, remember that? It's all the way here to go. Man, even yesterday night I was thinking too about Tesla. See, man, this could have been, this trend line broke. Perfect. Somebody was asking me, hey, about a call. So people who did not take my classes, they would not have done this mistake, buying calls and stuff like that. Because I've been like, I announced right here that, guys, this is the resistance right here. You got to be very careful, and when we break this trend line, we're gonna go down. And guess what? Today is the third day. Look at that Tesla. Picture perfect. You could have mint money. I don't hold overnight, but just to give you idea. So how to trade Tesla, man? Take the class. It's a whole different ball game, Tesla. All right, now I'm gonna compose myself. SPY breaking the LOD. SPY wants to go down. I think Apple gonna go. Tesla still wants to go. Apple, SPY. QQQ. Let me see. QQQ has a solid pressure. QQQ. So SPX. Okay. $3,635. Market has a solid pressure. $3,652, $2. Okay. Let me see. 185. Look at Tesla. Doesn't want to wait. Apple got a support. You got to be very careful here. Apple got support. Okay, I'm in $1.85, 3635 SPX put. Oh, wow. Google broke the floor. VIX is popping. VIX is popping. Apple has a strong support right here. Apple has a support. Google just broke the floor. Tesla trying to bounce. SPY try to bounce. Ticks are turning. 230. Okay, I'm out. 220. %18 profit. I had a more profit like 30, but this green candle scared me because of Apple support is right here, and market has been selling off quite a bit. Now they can bounce. Then what? Okay, let's see, because my look at the MACD. Oh wow, Tesla got a pressure. Look at that. Nope, divergent. Watch out now. Let's look at the SPY. SPY has a pressure still. Yeah, SPY has a pressure. Look at that. I'm trying to get back in. 230. Okay. 216. Alright guys, disclaimer, we need to do a disclaimer. Everybody is here. Disclaimer is very important guys. This video and audio is for education purpose only. I do not sell any financial advice here, nor I recommend to buy or sell any sort of stocks or investment. For your financial advice, please consult with your professional financial advisor before making any financial decision. You have to do your due diligence before you make any trade. Okay, all the trades I take is belongs to me only. I'm not telling anybody to copy my trade, and you could lose money, so be careful. Okay, market has a reversal coming in. Look at the divergence. Let's see if this divergence has a okay, so that's 224. I'm keeping an eye on SPXW, strike 3635 to enter, but the MACD is not helping me. Only EMA telling me 225. I mean 225. $2.25 premium I paid. Now is $2.11. Look at that. Only thing what I see here is this. See this? So be careful. Market trying to bounce. Okay. Support. QQQ has a red candle and SPY has a green candle. Look at the wick. Moment trying to market push up, there's a wick above the body. Same thing in the bottom too. So it's a compression. And the session support is right here on QQQ. SPY has a resistance, price of control line out there. Cloud is right there. Alright, trend line broken on the downside on SPY. Still the MACD is not helping, so you gotta wait. Okay, QQQ broke. LOD QQQ. QQQ looking weak. Jeremy, your QQQ today. Alrighty. There we go. Support is here to watch. QQQ broke the floor. SPY still holding. Alright, so Apple is still holding right there at the floor. Market has a support nose dive in. Google LOD, look at the Google broke. Right there, okay. Well, Nvidia has a pressure. Apple is holding strong right there. Let's look at the flow today. AMD has a bullish, Oxy oil bullish. Look at the, wow, Apple has a bearish flow and Apple is holding the support. Tesla doesn't have the bearish. So let's see the alert. Wow, look at Tesla today. Look at that Tesla. Now Tesla call coming in. Watch out. So overall, Apple put coming in. Now Apple puts comes in. Look at that. 953 just now. Apple put coming in. So what does it mean? Apple is testing the floor. No, really not much right now. Still Apple holding support. SPY is holding the support. QQQ everything support is holding. Okay, man, I'm supposed to book my profit. 260, 280. Man, could have booked the profit. Okay, 270. Okay. Apple is breaking right now actually. So Nvidia, look at the Nvidia. Oh wow, Nvidia is rolling down faster than you can imagine. Right there is a support to watch. Nvidia. Oh, look at that. Google broke just now. Apple broke and market wants to go. Look at that SPX. Yep, here we go. $3. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, 40% profit on SPX. 40% profit. Apple is breaking the floor. Apple trying to break or no, bouncing. Oh, whoa. What happened here? My market trying to go. Look at that. This going to.
Does seem a little divergent for Apple on my lower time frames.
Yep, you're right. I want to exit. Okay, 350. Apple broke the floor, guys. Apple broke the floor. That's dangerous now. Okay. Apple broke the floor. Yep. Apple broke the floor. Market trying to bounce. Can't even understand this, how the bounce. Now we are right there. Apple is breaking down. Look at Apple going now. Apple SPY going. QQQ is good. Still SPY is holding, man. Apple is going, but SPY is super strong holding. Look at that. Whoa, 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 look at that. Be careful here. Wow, look at that. Wick is going. All the bears are in the bottom. Diversion. Right? Let's see how much pressure. All the wash out all the bears. MACD has a diversion. Look at that. Now MACD pointing north. Be careful. Let's see power. Still Apple has a weakness. Google has weakness. Tesla looking good. Microsoft got weakness. Okay, right there. Okay, so yep, market wants to go down. Apple is holding right there. Apple. Google is bouncing. That's why, no wonder. Okay, Apple. Market wants to bounce. Divergent MACD pointing north, holding on the top. This is your resistance to watch. Still market holding. Zim put coming in. Zim last 3 days. Zim coming in. Then FCX puts comes in too on FCX and Zim last 3 days. Wow, Apple put just now came in. Apple put, guys, watch out. Apple put just now 10:03. Market is pointing north right now. See the rejection? No. MACD is still bullish. Okay, here we go now. MACD is not helping, but market is going to. Still SPY is bullish. Look at that. Wicks ticks are turning north. Ticks turning north. Apple got weakness. You see that Apple still holding? Let's see. They might use Apple to go up. Nvidia weakness. Okay. There might be a weakness soon. Still bullish. Apple is trying to bounce. Yeah, look at the ticks are turning, trying to go north. Okay. But guys, be careful. Market is pointing. Look at that. Market is wants to go north, trying to break through this trend line, wants to go north. So maybe we could go here. Okay, all the bears are sitting at the bottom. Okay, so I'm out. I don't want to take a risk. He wants to go north a little bit and let them go until, because it could be a, I'll enter back later. Because trend line breaks, I cannot stay. And I saw something here too. See this? The B pattern. This trend line is intact. If this trend line breaks, then we'll talk. Until then, right now, look at that. Could be fake out, breakout. Let's see. All the EMAs are still intact. Man, market has a weakness, man. Seriously, market has weakness. How come these people are taking up? 235.
36750 was a big level from June.
Yeah, but they're still holding up there, so it's better to be on a side than in the trade. So that's why I choose to. 1 second. Yeah, look at that Apple. They are using Apple now to go up. Yep, scare all the bears. Bear will be losing money. Tesla call coming in. Apple put just now came again. No, that's the one we watched already. Sorry, that's the song. Let's see over here. Oh wow, look at bearish flow. Apple just started. Let's look at the Apple plan. Oh wow, Apple call coming in. You see this? Call, Apple call. They want to go north. Oh, SPY put. Okay. Just a second. We're still at the critical zone. Usually we try to break through, fake through, and then bounce. You follow? That's why MACD is still pointing north. So it's a bull cycle right now. We are bullish. See that? All the bear will be at the bottom. Look at that breakout. Watch out on the bear side now. They want to take it north. Price of QQQ price of control line is above price of control line. Okay. Support area is right there. This is the critical area to watch. Okay. Still QQQ looking strong. Look at the SPY call activity. Look at the SPY call. Look at that, guys. There was not a single put in the middle. Be careful. This is that call is done. Tesla got weakness. Now SPY put coming in. Price of control line is right there. Okay. The green crossing to the red, but MACD is still sustaining the direction, holding direction. So deceptive. Still Apple. Now it's getting double top.
Josh, right? I think right here, I think we should see a little relief bounce going up to 37.20.
Oh yes, it possibly is, because right now the MACD is trying to turn the table on, and I see that too. But we have to break this. Once this breaks resistance, it's gonna go up north. But
I just got in about a couple minutes ago on 3,800 calls for next week.
Okay.
SPX.
I'm not gonna go to call unless I have certain disciplines. So once it breaks, then I'll go. I don't, because my EMA is pointing me down, so I feel like it might go lower, because MACD, if you see here, it was not a diversion here, so it still his pressure is down. Once that change the pressure, then definitely we would go north. Anytime it can change. Absolutely. Overall, I see the weaknesses in the market. Once the market change the directions, overall everything like here, then I will definitely love to go man with you. market is holding good right there. It can compress and bounce. Yep. Price of control line is there. Apple is bouncing, everything is bouncing. Look at that, trying to go north. Microsoft, Apple and Google pointing north. Okay. Weakness coming in. I want to find the proper direction before I jump in guys. MACD is pointing north. EMA still is jumbled up around here. Still there is a big weakness showing on EMA. MACD is getting tired now, guys. MACD is getting tired. You notice something? Let's see. This is the compression, I guess. Still. Okay.
This could be a fake out. I mean, I still see momentum to the upside.
Possible, man. Everything possible. Can't deny that. Absolutely. But the MACD is now getting tired, and the EMA crossing. So let's see how far weakness is there. I don't want to enter into the trade. I just don't like what I see here. That's it. That's why. I just want to be on a side and see from the distance. Let the market maker decide what they want to go. They played right now is in a decision which direction to go. That's why. So like this, Apple is holding, Google is pointing north, Microsoft is pointing south, Tesla pointing south. So we got to be a little hold our horses here. Don't want to rush because market maker gonna use something, and they're gonna fly north or south. We'll see. But
I look like it's about to go like north big time.
Correct. Let me see.
Yeah, I think I might get in this.
Yep, market wants to go north. Look at that. MACD pointing north. Right here, you see this? This is nice. You see this? It's bouncing from here. So this is your wedge. So market is playing in between here. See the power. Let's see the power. Okay, SPY puts. Puts coming in on SPY still. Okay, look at the ticks are turning down now, guys. Wow. Okay, so the downward pressure. This is the support to watch. See what happened in this support. Do you see a bear flag here, guys? Huh? Let me get rid of this also, so you can see something. Look at that. 5-minute chart, you can see better. Look at that bear flag. Watch out. Okay, but you never know, man. Game will be played around here for 10-15 minutes. You never know. That's the market, man. Market does all these games to pull out everybody, bulls and bears. Market wants to point north. Calls and puts. Ticks turning now. MACD is entering in the bull territory. Compression time, that's it. Need to just be on the side and watch. QQQ rejection at the price of control line. Okay, this support is important to watch right here. That's the support to watch. Now MACD trying to kiss in and hugging, pointing south. Not yet confirmed, but once that breaks, then VIX is popping and TIX is ticking down, and SPY is testing the critical zone to watch. Okay, EMA pointing south, but still I don't think so. Okay, still the support is intact. They're gonna try different avenue and they're gonna make a U-turn. You follow? That's the game. You see that because it's a bear flag, still can go up and down like that and gonna wash out premium. So it's too early. This is your support to watch. Okay, takes up. VIX is popping, TIX is turning down, but still Apple has support is intact. Market wants to, Apple looking bullish, Google looking bullish, wants to go north, Tesla wants to go north. Yep, now they want to go north. Yep, so watch out here. See that bounce? Yep, that's your bounce from here to here. Beautiful. Trend line breaking, market wants to go north right there. You see that? This trend line breaks and then this linear line you follow right here. You see this? So we got to do this way actually. We can do this way at least to be safer side. Okay, market trying to go north. Trying to look for it. Look at the flow. Nothing new on Apple. Tesla have call coming in now. Remember all the bears, they're sitting at the bottom. Tesla calls comes in a lot more. 10 o'clock, look at that, 10, 14, 10, 15. So Tesla, so they're gonna want to go north. Price of control line is here. That is important right here. We are trying to break through and going to the north. But I will not participate in this game. If they want to go north, that's fine. Right there. Okay, once it breaks, then we'll see. Market wants to go.
Apple looking like it want to go.
Apple,
right
Apple.
or no?
Yeah, you're right. Apple is looking like want to go.
So just the volatility is not where I need it to be in order to take that trade.
A lot of weak about the body. That's why I don't. It is good, but this is perfect picture, perfect too. And this is perfect setup going to north. But weak about the body, it scares me out. That's it. That's the only one side. Other than that, everything pointing north. Tesla wants to go north. MACD entering into north. There's right here. Let's see. I see around compression here too.
We're in the cloud.
Oh, okay. Let me look. Yeah, absolutely. That's the reason I said compression time. So I don't want to go any direction because MACD pointing into north direction. EMA already bullish, but the short term, the longer term is not bullish yet, and we are entering into cloud. So this something like this, you preserve what I made because over trading is not good. That's what I decide. And you see how I exit my positions, even though despite I had a 30% profit, I exit at 5% loss or 2% loss, not a 5% but 2% loss, something like that. But break even, exit it out. Now look at market going up, right? That's why I follow my discipline. What I feel like that, you don't want to be. You need to be sideline. Always prefer not to be in the trade. Prefer to be not to be in the trade, because when you are in the trade, you just holding hopes, and holding hope is not the way to trade. That's what I teach. But if you look at the good side, all the trend line breaking up, resistance is right here, but we have the cloud. Market, let everything clear. We don't want to rush. Let them go, and then we'll go. See all these candles here, empty candles coming. Don't like that. Empty promise, empty candle, empty promise. That's why market tells you, try to read the market. If market tells you, hey, I want to go north, but if deceptive, then watch out. That's what I would say. Those who are listening here, staying in the trade, when you do intraday, staying in the trade is dangerous. How fast you can lose the wealth if you in the trade because of the theta decay, right? And it depends on what kind of setup it is and what not, and you got to identify. Once you take a technical class, you know why I say this. Once you take an option class, then you know what I'm talking about. Why Tesla people lost money. How not to trade, when not to trade also is important. You need to learn not to trade also. Everybody try to learn how to trade, but when not to trade is also important. Or a rejection coming in. It could be a fake out right here, or I don't know.
Yeah, I learned that lesson yesterday. I took a call, and even though the market moved in the direction I wanted to, by the end of the day, the theta decay had eaten away at all my profits, and so I had to get out at a loss.
Today or yesterday?
Yesterday. Okay. I took a call position early in the morning, and I wasn't able to have it move in my direction till the end of the day when it spiked up.
I see. Okay.
It looks like the price of control line came down too, Josh.
Oh, let me look. Yep, you're right. Weakness is coming in and the divergence coming in, but they can fake out all the bear also and bull also. So I'm not participating. Try to identify not every move. What did I say here? You see this? I said it's a bear flag, and this is something like that is going in. So I said you're gonna bounce from here. We might go and rejection here. Exactly what I said. You rewind the tape. What I said, right? Now look at we are here. So market is ping pong channel. I don't like. Now market is looking low. We're gonna go break down and God knows, and they fake out and they bounce and all this. So that's why they might go north, but you don't want to enter into the trade. You want to trade one or two. That's the trade I want to take. Weakness coming in, showing the weakness right now market. So if you take a cloud is there, market has a weakness, man. Telling you, market has a weakness. Wow. But I don't want to participate. I don't like it. Go down right there. LOD 3635, $2.20. But we are right here. Market can bounce. MACD pointing south. I need a momentum, guys. Catching up. Okay, you get my point. So for me, I need momentum. Otherwise, I don't want to participate in two red candle and one green candle. Double top. Still bullish here. Bearish sentiment coming in right now, but the momentum mine gonna go and test. Well, let's see here what these people are cooking here. So what happening? Apple. Okay, now Apple put came in. You see that? Yep, Apple put came in. I'm not gonna participate until the floor breaks and look like, but I need a good setup, which I'm looking for. I don't see. I want to preserve what I made. That's the reason. Lot of weakness, man, market shows right now, but I can enter because of the Apple support is right here. Let the Apple support do some magic. Look at the Boeing, man, already doesn't want to wait. Boeing, oh la la la, Boeing is looking super weak. Horrible balance sheet, man. Weakness, guys, weakness. Market spy weakness. Yep, look at that. They're gonna show weakness and bounce. That's why I don't want to be participant. You see, we already sold out right here around this area, right? So market is compressing and trying to fool all the bears, and they try to took it north. Now probably bulls getting slaughtered a little bit here, and bears are getting excited probably. So let's see.
These Apple contracts are up 20%, but I got them like literally at the top, and then 22. But I'm with you on this. I think that the sentiment is not there yet. This is still looking kind of bullish to me.
Mm-hmm. They're basically creating the channel. This channel they are trading, and whenever you notice, I don't like channels. I mean sideways channels. It's ping pong. That's not me. I think they're gonna do like this, compress like this, little bit this, down, little here somewhere, and then they will go a little north, stuff like that. And
you look at the way they shook everybody out yesterday, the way that we're moving right now looks almost identical. So I think that they found a lot of success in what they did yesterday. They might just do it again. It might just be like a sell puts kind of day.
And yesterday they did like, man, so many swing yesterday they did, man. Whack, 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 up and down, up and down. So many swing yesterday, man, you cannot imagine. Well, yesterday was dirty game they played several times. Still we came out green, right? That's what it matters. I love that when market challenge you and then you came out green, man. I feel great about that. I want challenges. Sometimes you know market should challenge, you know. It's easy to trade when the market is going one direction, right? It's up or north. And one swing, two swing is fine. When we have 15 swings in a day, that's where they really test your patience. Market is burning people's premium actually. That's the game of channel. Oh man, I didn't read the messages here. What it says, whack-a-mole. Yeah, whack-a-mole. Apple 148 if breaks. Puts call. I got a call and sold at 7%. That's fine. How does the cloud work? Cloud, when you take a class, one of the cloud is about resistance and supports. And so if you look at the cloud right here, this is your resistance. When the candle trying to poke through is a resistance, so you got to be very careful you don't trade in that. When price is below the cloud is also resistance, price is above the cloud is just support, like that. But you can use one indicator as a cloud and just trade like that. You can lose big time money because every time is not 100% accurate. That's why I use a lot of things. I read candles because candles are also give you some sort of indicator. Longer spike calls, man, I don't know about that. Longer spike calls and whatnot. Yeah, you can do. I'm not. Man, the important part is, guys, MACD entering into the bull territory on QQQ, on SPY also. Remember that. Trying to. Let's see. Yeah. Guys, on a Discord we need a booster. If anybody has, anybody can donate. This is the free Discord I'm trying to provide you guys. So if anybody has, they can donate the booster so you get the better video quality and audio quality. This is my son set up the server for you guys so you can enjoy free of charge, where everybody charging $50. He showed me yesterday. Some thousands of people over there paying $50 Discord, and just they get chart like tips, picks and stuff like that, and pay $50. I'm trying to keep it free here so you guys can join the community. So always, if you think you have some booster, you can donate it. So it's for you, basically. Everybody can enjoy the good ride. So you see this purple triangle diamond shape, that's booster. So if you guys have booster, you can donate to TopTradingEdge, so that way we can maintain our boost. I think 16 we need, we have 14. Yeah, Andrew said, that's what I call the market yesterday. It's like a playing game of whack-a-mole. Yeah, up and down all day in the Discord active. Yeah. All right, let's do like on YouTube at least. Let's do that, man. 127 people out here. I'm sure we can do that. Sorry. Let me see how many likes we got. We have 133 people are watching, 35 likes. Man, we are short of 100 likes. Let's do that. We're market compressing. Let's make it at least. If half people say like, also we can reach there.
Somebody on YouTube asked if the Discord was active. Yes, the Discord's very active. The Discord is basically where everything converges. So it's where the community basically hangs out.
All right, market looking bouncing. So now all the bulls out here, they are losing their premium. And then the bears, now they might lose premium when they go up here in another 30 minutes like that. So that's why I'm not going to participate. All the Tesla bears, they are losing now premium. So what they are doing with the Tesla, let's do analyze Tesla. Right here. So market opened up, we try to test right here. Man, Tesla was a great 100% profit today, I tell you that. I put my price target 100% profit gave me, and it gave me exact that. But imagine if I would have waited for these 272 because I thought it's gonna go here, and guess what? It did not. Right now, market might go maybe maybe in the evening. Don't know. But premium is important. Theta decay. You're holding your hopes and you melting your ice cube in your hand. That's why once I exit, look at that. And the market bounce, and now let me look if I would have been holding that. Let me see, what was it? Just to analyze so we understand this. Tesla 280 put. Yep, right here, and now is $3.65, guys. I exited it at $5.30, $5.25 or 30 cents something. Double exit double. Now is $3.65. You see. So what happened is you are holding hopes and you're losing tons of value because they are expiring today. That's why. When they're expiring today, look at that. Even though we didn't move crazy here, right? But little move here to here, people lose money. I didn't sold like here. I think I sold it somewhere here. So we did not go too far. Couple of bucks, and we lose money. Almost 40% value lost if I would have hold it. But the game is now, what happened is all the bear right here, if they are waiting for that support, and these people, they're gonna take it up a little bit here and compress it here, so the bulls doesn't get the value, and here, and then somewhere later on they can go down here until the 3-4 o'clock, and then they will decide the game go lower. So everybody lose the premium. So bear also lose the premium little bit. This is the thesis. Okay, I could be wrong. So somebody yesterday, remember I was asking you about the Tesla calls, and if you would have, I can't give a finance advice to anybody, but look at that right here. I said this is the resistance, we get rejection, it's gonna go down, and look at that. Man, Tesla, like those who are a pure Tesla play, there's a different technique to play Tesla, and I teach in my class Tesla is a whole new world to play. You have to understand psychology trading, you have to understand the option technique, you need to understand mathematics, what I teach, understand the technical analysis I give you, and then you trade, man, you can win. I play Tesla too and make money, man. I don't want to lose money on Tesla. Tesla is danger game. So in short, Tesla is basically premium game for market maker. It's all about premium. Their goal is to maximum premium they gain.
I'm seeing quite a few people on YouTube ask questions about how to join the Discord and, where are the links, and please send me a link. If you want to follow Josh on Discord, he's got all of the links on his Twitter space. So if you go to Twitter and you look up Josh, he's at TopTradingEdge on Twitter. Yes. And then he'll have all the links to all the community resources that he's set up for us.
So if you Discord has a one disadvantage, guys. They only allow 50 people on a stream. You follow? Right now YouTube has 132 people right now, right? So if Discord has the first 50 people comes in, then the rest of the people, when somebody leaves the space, then you get the video. They don't allow you more than 50 streams on Discord. So that's the one disadvantage you would have. And if you want to communicate with me, you can, Twitter is unlimited, like Twitter Space, where I do is unlimited, where you can also interact with me. But that has to be on your phone, and the live, what I do, YouTube, that should be on your computer.
Josh, do you see SPY low of day?
Yep. Right there is going now. Baby wants to roll. Yep, going now. Man, man. Lost the track actually. That's what happened. Carried away. Man, I could have done this. Okay, I'm in 235, paid 3635. Oh, there's the support, MACD pointing south. Okay, man. Okay, let me see. Yeah, still weakness is there. Let me, yeah. Man, never enter the support. That's the one rule, and I entered that. But let's see now. Because MACD is lower, still pressure is there. I fast without looking at the things. I want to be out. 175. 175 now, man. This damn thing bounced because MACD in a bull territory. 165. You see this? Hold on. Oh no, bear territory. Okay. Trend line breaking. Now they're gonna go north here and God knows what not. Okay, this is your risk versus reward right here. Okay. Price of control line is right there. Why did I trade on a channels? $180. Trying to exit. Okay, 185. I'm out. Took a loss. I don't like this. Mm-hmm. 9 EMA crossing to the 15 wants to go north. Channel is right here. Just keep eyes on the channels. SPY had a gap. Let me see. SPY leaving the gap. Yep, right there. SPY fill that gap up, gap down right there. Yep, good. How many people think the market gonna go and test this today's low? Sorry, today's low right here. You see this? Up. Let me see. 262.41. Remember that. Right there. 262.41. Market might do that today. Good. Friday, right? Look at the space headline I put it in. Friday finale, SPY 362 finish line to watch. MACD kissing and hugging and all these things, man, this is give you 10% in profit and then 20% profit, and that's it. So don't want to burn anything. Yeah, Apple put, or let's see over here what Apple is doing. flow. Wow, look at Apple. 25 million flow, bearish flow. Apple has it, guys. They have agenda today. Something going cooking downside. Tesla now bullish coming in. Amazon is bullish. 25. Okay. So let's see alert. Apple alert. Apple, what time is it now? Oh, yep, just now Apple came out. Realize, look at that. 10:55 put. So they're still loading up. Apple more. Let's look at the Apple. All the apples right here. Let me look the sizes. Let me look more than $500,000. Any better? All the calls. Look at 2 people are buying calls, $500,000 and above. Look at that. All the calls. 4 million calls right there. This is 1.4 million, 2 million right there. Look at that. At 9:52, somebody bought a calls. So these are all about 200. Overall puts right now in the beginning, small quantity. Oh wow, SPY broke the LOD. Look at that. Now baby wants to go down. What did I do, man? Yeah. $3.20. Okay, I mean $3.10 on a 3.635. If I would have hold it, same one would have been profit. Oh, look at that engulfing candle, powerful engulfing candle, man. Let me see here what exactly happening here. Still Apple support is intact, man. Why am I buying this, man? Okay, EMA is pointing. Pressure is down. No, still there is a weakness. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, like this. So this might go a little bit like this and go like this.
Josh, MACD is down in a bearish area, but we've got green candles growing. And it looks like the blue line just crossed the red line. Can I read anything into that?
Hold on. Blue line, where the blue line cross? So right now is a bullish cycle. So this is the cycle right here. You see this is a resistance. Now we broke the resistance. We have this. Once we break that, then we have go like this here, right here. This is your risk right here, and market wants to point north, scare out all the bears, and yep, absolutely. Okay, wash out my everything. Okay, right there. Look at that power, man. It's all about the channel right here. Channel is the game. Short term bullish right now. MACD pointing into the north. They started a bear cycle. Now they will do bull cycle. Look, no diversion, fake out. Still you see this, from here to here is pure, from here to here is also pure. So there is no diversion here, but they did took a diversion. You see, that's the dirty game they played. Otherwise I would have not entered in my put, and everything was perfect here. Basically market is playing ping pong. Look at them, ping pong in between price of control line, up and down, up and down. That's what they are doing, burning people's premium. MACD entering into the bull territory, bullish territory. It wants to go north. Right here is your resistance. Stuck in a range, right? Yep, absolutely. This is what the channel look like, doesn't matter. That's why I say channels are dangerous. You just don't go crazy and you just test the water. That's how channels are. When you have a slope like this, you can enjoy. When you have a channel, is MACD pointing, EMA still. Whoa, why Apple puts are coming in loaded like that? SPY has a mixed flow coming in right now. Calls and puts. And if you look at the bullish flow, Tesla is bullish, Amazon is bullish little bit, Oxy bullish. Apple still has a 23 million bearish flow. Airbnb has bearish flow. Microsoft has little bearish flow. Highest is Apple. Something is cooking after maybe afternoon or something. This is a similar event, if you recall, maybe last week, I guess, where the channel was completely like this, spent about 2-3 hours. Josh, does the SPY MACD from June lows to how give any indicator bounce? Bounce on the June? Right now, it's super duper bearish. You see this? No diversion yet. So it has a lot more power, just like over here when we were going north. So this time we're gonna break this and we're gonna go lower based on what I read. But you gotta give it time. It's not gonna happen now, not next week. Some point of time it would happen. Feel like that.
Okay, that was really cool. I just put in an order to sell at 98 cents on one of my calls, and it filled, even though it didn't show that that was the market price. So I got in at 77 cents and I sold at 98 cents. So what I made close to 20 bucks. But I would have sat there and watched the market trade up and down and never would have gotten that fill if I didn't just ask for it. So the market ask was not anywhere near 98 cents. It was like 93 cents when I put in the order to sell, and it filled at 98 cents. So that was really cool. That was 7-cent difference on the premium that I got just by asking for it.
Wow.
Maybe it was just really lucky timing, but yeah, I was able to get the fill for a lot more than what the market ask was looking.
Apple is compressing. I would do like this. If you look at this pennant kind of wedge, which is coming from the top and exit from the bottom. That's the truth. Now is real one fake out, or we will see, but this is what it looks like. And based on the flow in Apple, people are loading a lot of puts today. I think they want to take the market down. Something is brewing. Keep an eye on it. I don't want to go crazy anything. I will wait until 3 o'clock. Apple is, look, 24 million still. So it's a lot. 24 million bearish flow. Somebody knows something is cooking. So we're gonna plan. Let's see. They will do all different drama and stuff like that until 3 o'clock. You just play a little easy. But after 3 o'clock, will be the real game begins. Market breaking out. Tesla wants to go higher. Tesla, look at that. Tesla broke right here. Look at that breakout. Nvidia, how it look for today? Nvidia is bullish today. Nvidia, as long as this support is intact, is bullish. And this is your resistance to watch out maximum. And right now is your resistance is here. This wedge is created, it can break and can go upward. So it's kind of like this. As long as this trend, if this trend breaks, then baby will roll down. Nvidia. So just keep it in mind, this area around 124. So to be safer side, this area 124.50. 124.50 Nvidia breaks, then down. And Nvidia touched down my price. Can you believe it? Rejected VWAP. MACD pointing south. They break out, they fake out here, they fake out here. See, that's what they're doing. Until they're done, until this job is done, we'll see. It's just they don't want to go any direction. They just want to right now breaking out and faking out a little bit. Both direction, faking out. Scared of you, app. It's alright. Wow, Apple giving up. $11 what's coming in? PBI, Snow calls coming in. Snow FCX call comes in. 11 o'clock, nothing. Oh wow, Apple put came again. Look at that. 11:10, 10:55. That's why people are loading Apple. Something is brewing, man. These people want to have cook. They want to cook something. Double top. It's like it can go down because it's so oversold, but I can go up because nobody wants to buy. Yep, catch 22. Because that's why channel is there. We don't want to participate in dirty game. Just let the market take the toll until everybody premium wash out. Tesla got weakness now. Tesla got the rejection. See that? Tesla has a downward wedge. So once we break this support, Tesla gonna go down. Until then, just ping pong in between here, gonna get squeezed in this triangle. Or it can break upwards and go a little bit this, fake out, and you know what I mean? Fake out and all these things market will do. But things are getting squeezed now. Look at Apple. Something going to explode somewhere. Okay, Apple is trying to break upwards. Google also, look at the straight arrow. Google too. Yeah, and SPY is completely straight arrow. Look at that. Don't want to go anywhere. You see that?
When we see consolidations like this, Josh, and it lets us know that there's a breakout, is there a way to set up early to make money off of it, or are we just waiting to see which way the market makers are going to take it and then follow them into the trade?
Yeah, they do breakout and sometimes fake out. Both they do. They can do either way, but I'm keeping an eye on it right now. Particularly channels now. So that's why I'm looking at the flow also. See what it looks like. Right now at this point is look at all the EMAs are completely jumbled up as a one EMA. Look at that. You see this? Everything is in one piece. And then pointing south. MACD entering into bear territory. MACD entering into bear territory. So pressure is building towards the downside. So over here wedge is getting created. See that wedge? So let's keep eyes on SPY wedge. But until this, there is another channel market has created. It will be upward north. You see this north, right? So the trend has to be pointing now north, because this channel was sideways. Now the market has created a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, wants to go north. So if it is bounce, go north, or if it breaks, then we go down south, like that. So you got to keep eyes on every angle, see what their dirty games wants to play.
When you're choosing the strike price on day expiration, so for like SPY expiring today, what do you look at for the strike? I'm looking at the 366 puts and the 370 calls.
So I'm right now, whenever it is 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, when I see channels like this, I play coins. I don't go crazy to test the water, because I know that whenever I see channels, I don't go crazy. When I like this, I like something like a setup. I want something move, so I don't see anything movement happening here. When you take all you took intraday so far class, when you take the option class, you will see the mathematics when I look explaining about the candles and movements and how to catch and what to catch. So it's stuff like that. But absolutely is whenever you channels, you got to stay away. You got to stay away means if you want, you can, it depends on who you are. But if you don't, many people who are listening here, like, so then always you need to decide. You need to trade two trades a day. That's it. Because I can trade 15-20 times a day, but doesn't mean that you got to be very careful, because this market take your tolls. You need to identify, because I can see what exactly happening here, and I announce way here. I say, hey, this is channel setting up. I was saying here, right here, when I see this week about the body, and I'm announcing, say, hey, something is cooking here. So then you don't need to go crazy. I to entertain, sometimes I play, but it's just a coin, because you need to preserve what you made here. Now I'm waiting for the good setup. I don't see a strong setup yet, because
how do you choose your strike?
Oh, how do I choose my strike? Strike is where depends on what am I playing. SPX, SPY, QQQ, SPX, they are super duper expensive. So in the middle of the day, I wouldn't mind if I'm playing coins. I go SPX also on a side, too far out also, because I don't want to burn my premium anything. So I go, if I lose, doesn't matter, percentage also. But if it is SPY, I stay with close to the price target, nearby, out of the money, nearby.
Okay, so close to the price that the security is trading at, but just out of the money.
Yeah. So I identify the setup. When I see the channel, then I know it could be burning premium, and you can only make 5%, 10% profit. In a moment you can make 20%, sometime max. So in that case is you basically is like, in your case you have the PDT rules and you have the cash account. So in that case I would not even trade anything, because that's danger, because occupying all your money for next and locking your money, every trade you take, you have to wait for another 24 hours until next day. So then you need to avoid channels. Doesn't matter, you can make 10%. I would avoid channels, because every trade you do, that money is out of your pocket to trade. So wait until the option class finish, you will see. Channel, upward channel right now, market is breaking down. You see that? I'm not participating. The reason behind is I told you guys. Channel. I will wait until real job starts. Doesn't matter. I never feel FOMO. If you want to feel FOMO, play coins. Still Apple wedge is open. Nvidia getting rejection coming in. Sloping resistance. Tesla got resistance. Wedge. Still all the wedge are intact. I am keeping an eye on all the wedges and see what happens. This is the strong support of Microsoft. Look at the Apple.
Everything is like frozen right now.
Once you take the class, you will know what is frozen. You will see. Yes. Now we are heading LOD. MACD entering into bear territory. We have the support here to watch a little bit. Still Apple is intact inside the wedge. So over here, same number. Still Apple is same. Okay. Yeah, same. Apple is still same. So let's see flow. Puts coming in. 90% puts, 85% puts. Okay, so LOD right here. SPY LOD. What did I say? So I bought a put here at SPX 36.35, paid around $3, right? Look at that. From here to here, now we're back to here, and it came, and it is now 175. If it was 165, 175. So see the value difference, almost 40%. From here to here, still at the same price, 40% you lose money, 40-50% lose money, still at the same price. From and time frame, look at the time frame. 11 o'clock to 11:40. See, so this is how you check yourself. When you trade SPX, you lose big time. I don't worry right now because I have a small quantity, but just to give you idea. Still yellow. See that? Because I know how things works on SPX is dangerous. So that's what they did, is this, all this premium. Imagine people who traded here, they are all losing money, right? That's why they don't want to go in one side.
Is there a way to paper trade SPX?
I don't know about that. You can try in your whichever platform. Which you use, TD Ameritrade?
Right, I got Webull, Thinkorswim, TradingView.
Yeah. Why not? Absolutely, that should be.
Okay, so through Thinkorswim?
Yeah, absolutely. Why not Thinkorswim?
Yeah, when you're using TOS and you first go to log in with your password, there's a button underneath your password where you will switch over to a paper trade account.
Correct. When you log in at that time option.
What you're talking about. Okay, bro. Thank you. Appreciate you very much.
Yeah, not a problem anytime.
All right. So now, guys, let's focus on something. because the wedge is getting broken and market gonna dump. Remember what I said about the wedge? All these wedge are now in the play, and market is also in LOD. You see that? Market is LOD, low of the day, and VIX is popping. Yep, VIX is popping, and here we go. MACD. Oh wow, look at that. Everything lagging span line is also pointing south, but it's at 12 o'clock. God knows they have a really agenda behind that. Yep, here we go. Trying to push, but everything is intact here. Let me see here. Oh wow, wow, look at the put. Look at the load here. SPY load. Look at the load coming in now. 5,840,000 puts. SPY wants to go lower. Okay, here we go. I added more now.
Yeah, low a day.
Yeah.
Here we go.
195 I paid. $1.95. Here we go. 220. Yep, right there. Bam. 225. Here we go. Baby go, baby go, go baby go. This is how we print. Okay, nice there, right there. Okay, 20% profit, about to book. 25%, give me 240, 250 right now, going good. See, this is how you identify the trade, guys. Okay, this is how you play. 245, 250, give me 250. Now should be out. $2.50. 245. Yep, wants to go, baby wants 250. Come on. Super South still wants to go. Okay. Alright guys, just a second. I want to take a profit. 275. 275. Man, it's literally, guys, printing 270. Okay. 270. I'm out. I took a 32% profit. I'll be right back there. Just a second. What's up, Ty-Star? You can talk. Sorry, man. Okay, I'm back. Oh, wow. No, still market has a weakness. Okay. Let's see. Now we have these. Maybe this will remember what I said about is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Let's see this. And this is your resistance. You already have that. See what I did? I say that I don't want to go north because I identify which direction. Doesn't matter. See, when you take classes, you understand all those things what I'm talking about. Market sell off, compression. Which direction market go? Remember the Simo was asking me, Josh, which direction market gonna go? And what did I say? Market want to go south. Remember? After analyzing all this, and I said I will announce. See, this is how I trade. When you take all the classes, guys, it's so valuable to find out whether this market still has a leg down or still has a reversal, or when you are at the top, whether it's gonna break down or not. That's why I'm telling everybody, take a class. If you want to learn more, those who took a class, learn more. I have a student, when keep taking class because he wants to be master. Because you blow up $10,000 in a market, why not to put a $2,000-3,000 on education? That's what I'm telling everybody. So at least you would understand everything. Otherwise, what happen is this market, guys. I'm trying to teach people within one package of $1,000. Imagine, people take months and months. Some people take years to, wandering around everywhere. And I'm trying to teach people in a 5 class. Just the Tesla, if you want to trade, you can spend one class, but it's valuable. And I have a thesis in a technical fundamental class, and I show to the people. Some people say 100% profitability chances, 100% when I teach on my classes, 100% profitability.
Josh, I try to listen to when to get into the trade, but I realize you're not going to tell us, when to get in. But I'm having a hard time balancing my patience and also, and waiting, and also knowing when to get in. And I'm sure I'll find out more, with more classes as I continue. But that's where my thing is like, I know that the market's going to move fast when it breaks, in a certain direction. And I want to prepare to be able to, put that order in to get in. And so getting in, knowing when to get in has been difficult because you're not going to say, okay, guys, now's the time to jump in,
No, so what I did is right here, I was announcing like when we were here. I said, look, this is how market was right here. So you got to focus what I speak. This is the channel. I said, this is the channel. This is upward channel now. In the channel, we created upward channel. So market has ping pong like this. If the market breaks, this is what I said. If market breaks the channel downward here, we're going to go lower. And when the support breaks, we're going to go lower. What happened? Look, and then when did I enter? Right there. Market break the channel. Some people enter here. Some people enter here. I enter here. And guess what? I care about momentum. What I've been saying on the channel. I need like this. I said I need like this. I don't need this channel. I've been identify the channel. So that's why some people need to spend like maybe at least take about 15-20 classes from me, 15 to 20 classes, and you can spend time with me, and I educate everybody, whomsoever wants to take class, 15-20 class. I have a student who took 25 classes, and he said I understand everything. So if you see here, I said compression here, right? I said, okay, now I don't want to go much because once you understand, I don't go crazy here because I know this is just a coin play channel. But then,
and so what am I listening for to know that you're getting in?
Okay, so it's not about me. What I'm trying to explain you is, what my goal is to teach you that how to fish. I'm not here to, hey, let's go and eat the fish. This is the pick. I understand I'm here to announce whatever I trade, but it's a finance. I can't, man. Hope you understand. You're not the only one taking class. There's a 99% people did not take the class here. It's only 1% people are here who took the class, right? Because we have right now 300% people.
You're not here to tell us when to get in. That makes absolute sense. But what I'm saying is that's the biggest difficulty here is knowing when
it's
you
like
are getting into a trade and knowing, when you're being too patient.
So,
Am I
yeah.
too patient? And when did you get in? I don't know what to listen for.
So, okay. Remember you asked me, Josh, what you playing? 3635 put I was playing because that's what I had it on my screen, on other screens. And that's what I was earlier entered at $3. Remember, $3.10. But that was the coin. And then I was waiting for it, and I was waiting for the momentum. So when I momentum here, I found out that hey, now I saw here everything I saw here, all the puts coming in. I saw here the 24 Apple put. When I look at the flow, and when I look at all the indicators, the way I feel like right here, that market gonna go low, right? I am announcing here that hey, market wants to go now south, and I'm also entering same put which I bought earlier. Only thing is that was coin, and then I added up and I made good money. So my thesis is I need momentum. I don't want to play in the channel. Now if somebody take more and more classes from me, then they would understand more better. Because imagine, yesterday we spent 2 hours on one class, right? And still, I understand everybody need more time if you need, but every details I'm not here to tell everybody, oh, go, buy this, buy that. Or I'm announcing here properly that hey, look at the channel gonna break. In a nicer way, the channel is breaking down. If the channel breaks, we're gonna go, support is right here, and once we break that, market gonna go down. Now it's up to the person who is technically took the classes. He would understand that whatever he need to take actions is up to them. But I took my action and announced also, and I care about it, but what I need. So I saw everything, and I took profit here. Now people have to take their.
Maybe I just don't know what it is that you're saying when you announce it, and I'll be paying more attention to that.
Yeah, I mean.
Pay more attention, Sim. I think you should take the class because that MACD cross at 11:25, that was clear as day.
He's taking class. He's in the class, but he took only 2 classes so far. He's in the class. He took the whole package. So he's in the class. But again, if you really look, guys, $1,000. You know what I'm talking about. $1,000 easy we can make in this market right here. Right now, I made $1,000 right here. I'm already made. So I'm sure there must be many people who must have made in this setup too. You just need a setup. So for me, who I am. I avoid trading. I avoid being in the trade. That's what I teach you here. But entire world, they stay in the trade because they want to stay in the trade. When you do intraday, everything is different game. When you do overnight, is a different game. Right? When I analyze overnight, I can tell you.
You know me. I'm a swing trader, so that's what my tendencies lean toward is to stay in the trade. So I need to learn that other technique with these day trades and stay out of the trade.
So I would say, you know what? Give another little time. You will see. Give me about 1 week because you're gonna finish all the classes, right? Once you finish classes, you'll be more mature enough to understand all these things. And then later on stage, once you make money, you think, oh, okay, let me Josh another take 1 or 2 class extra just to be more mature enough. Because it's not like we go to elementary, we go to high school, we go to colleges, and then we do master, and then we do PhD, right? So to reach the PhD level, just give yourself time. I understand everybody want to rush, but I also feel the same way. But maturity comes as we grow and we make money. Slowly will come automatically. You'll see that. So I would not panic. Do not worry about it. It's just a slowly will come. No rush.
I understand. Thank you for answering my question, Josh.
No problem. Discipline, 50% profit. Good job. Christina, yes, but there are many people on Twitter spaces who don't know basic, and it's crazy. It's scary. Brian, every trader needs to identify what kind of a person they are. Yep. Yeah, every DNA is different. Absolutely. Good person, a good statement you said, Brian, about because I have both the kids, both are different. and I know exactly what's the difference between them, right? So same thing, you know, when I teach all the students, some people are sluggish, some people are hawkish, right? Some people are dovish. So that could be, it could be possible, right? In that case, we can apply the same thing. You know, that's what I always, what do I say, guys? I like risk. When at the moment I pass this statement, people think Josh is risky, right? Yeah, because many people is not risky. My younger kid is not, he doesn't like risk. Give me an example. But I like risk because I'm a calculative person. I'm a mathematician. I calculate varieties of things, and then I jump with my risk. And because when there's a risk, there's a reward. So I identify the risk and I identify the reward. Then you can make more money because there is a risk. You get the point? That's what I teach when the whole class is finished. By the time you learn that slowly, and then, you know, if you want to take more classes, you know, you're buying my time, and, you know, you wouldn't mind, you know, 5 class, and then you can take another 5 class if you want. So $2,000 cost you, but at least you can be more and more mature, you know, because you need to first try what you learn, then you will make mistakes, then you will also ask me the questions, and then I will say, okay, take another class if you want, and spend, just buy my time, and then we all become mature. Okay, so we're gonna go probably a little lower low, and we might bounce because I don't see more weakness yet. Little weakness, lower low might be, and then we might bounce. So watch out on one side. Could be, I'm just thinking, okay, it could be anything. Weakness is there right now, right here, but the MACD is kind of deceptive right now. That's the only reason I'm thinking. Yeah, so this is not a good setup to trade. Sorry, guys. We will break the low and we go lower. But I'm not in the trade. Yeah, market wants to break down, look like 230, 3635 puts. I'm not getting in, okay, I'm just checking in because I don't like what I see here. Deceptiveness, that's why. All right, meantime, let's do, man, like, how many people are here? 130. Let's click the like button, please. Let's do that. Make it 100. Oh wow, we only have 60 likes, man. 69. Let's do that, guys. Let's do that. It helps me when you guys do this everyday likes, right? So what we have, YouTube knows that, hey, there is a people sitting here on the live, and slowly we benefit, our community benefits that. Otherwise they're gonna put you on a wrong server, because I'm going 8 hours live, taking their iCloud spaces, right, free. That's everything is recorded on their server, so they don't give a good streaming space. So if we all do every day, YouTube would know, right? So help us out, not just me, just help us out a little bit liking things. I don't feel good to say, hey, is you know, it doesn't cost money, you know. It's just like I was teaching my kid yesterday about discipline, you know. Let's do the discipline. Say every day I come here and try to go live and create a discipline myself to help community free of charge. If you do that, you know, you can do that clicking like button whenever you want. It's so easy to click the like button, but it's so hard to go everyday live. Constant 7 hours. See that? What did I say? Market wants to bounce. I would not right now go into any situations room. Yeah, let the market play another situation, whatever here would be. Yeah. 82 likes. Good job. Let's do a little bit more, man. Jeremy, likes are free. Yep, likes are free. Thank you. Yeah, likes are free. I have been referring your channel. Hope I helps. Oh yes, if you're doing that, I really, because like, if I can refer you so many stocks what I see here around, and you share with your friends, family, is really, you are helping somebody. Remember, just like how I'm helping you, you scratch my back and I scratch your back, and imagine how it helps to your friend, family. If you think I'm genuine, if you think I'm not genuine, then definitely I'm, it's a whole different ball game. If I'm selling something, then different story. If I'm selling it to you, then hey, go and subscribe here, $100. No, I'm trying to keep it free so we all benefit. What did I say? We're gonna go one lower, right? People think, George, how would you know that, right?
Look like a little bit of a wide divergence.
I'm watching. Market wants to finish the line. What I said in the Twitter. Look at the title of the Friday finale: SPY 362. Look like weakness more, guys. Okay, forget about the diversion. Okay, forget about the diversion. Weakness. Weakness. Let's see now. Yeah, no, there is a still diversion there. So let's see. Call side, but I don't want to jump in anything. I want to preserve what I made. So do you notice? This is your sloping resistance right here, one. Then we build another sloping resistance, lower low. You see that? That's the bearishness, right? MACD wants to go south. $3. $84 likes, man. Let's do it. Josh, are you a fortune teller? No, man. I wish I could be fortune teller. That's what I tell everybody. I am not a fortune teller, and I do not have a crystal ball. None of them. But
Exactly what a fortune teller would say.
Exactly. No.
We've already covered this. Josh is a robot. He's AI developed by Elon Musk. I promise. This guy is artificial technology.
My mind, look, the real reason, core reason, I tell you, I do not have a crystal ball, but I blow up so much money in this market in my life. Enough money I have blown up, but I'm a very smart enough to recover all my money, and I did. But the thing is that market always teaches you, right? When you blow up, yeah, you can go and read the book and give an exam or a driving test, and you can win, and can you still drive? Same thing here too. If you really go and test the drive, and then you couple of accident then you learn a lot. Same thing here. The stock market is like so much volatile, that you could be banging so many times. Then you learn. And that's what is happening with everybody. So, but we combine with the education, we combine with the experience, we combine with our all the tools and potentials, and then you go with the force, you can make money. Same thing how you got your job, wherever you do the jobs, right? Same thing, you go to college, and then you get a job. Same thing in our stock market. We have to spend some time, money, potentials of everything, and then you can make money.
Dang, you see the VIX claim 30?
Yep, I did not notice, but let me see. Yeah, today is the finish line to finish. The finish line to finish. Remember the headline I said yesterday. And today is the finale, Friday finale. People think, Josh, you have a crystal ball. It's bearish. So how far we from our finale? Let's take a look at it. Oh, right there. You see that? Not that far, right here. You see that? That's your finish line.
You think we'll break it?
This guy, I remember I've been saying these guys. But there's a bunch of people. I don't know what they think about it in the market, but those who take my financial fundamental class, they would know. They know what I've been telling. Financial fundamental class. Man, I already said about the S&P 500, where we deserve, how the market macro. When you take macro classes, you will learn where the SPY is heading. You would exactly know where I pin dot where SPY is heading right here if you want to know. Oh, SPX right here. So we are heading. These are my target. I put it here. You see this 322. This is where we are heading, 3200, and then eventually by 2023 we will be here to 284 SPY.
But not in a straight line, right?
No, this guy. So look how much time he spent from here to here. January until now, right? So let's take a look at this way. Right here. From here to here, so far 23%, right? Now let's do from here to here. 20, same percent, right? It's pretty much. So we took from here to here time. January, this is September, 9 months. So count another 9 months. Approximately add another 9 months. You follow? So you have 9 more months to go. Approximately, right? That's fair enough. Understanding this. Everybody got it? But identifying the cycle is important. Bullish diverging, guys. $86 likes. I'm waiting for 100, man. Let's do it, man. We still have a few people out here who did not click the like button. Gaps to fill next week. Gaps to fill next week. Let me see. You mean on daily? We already, the gap already. Okay, so this one we fill, that one, this one we filled it, this one also fill. So now going up, we don't have a, oh wow, we have a gap here. We have a bunch of gap up there to go. Bunch of gaps. So everybody thinking, my few people are asking me now on my WhatsApp friend groups and all there. People wanted to buy, like, everybody thinking. I have few friends keep texting me that is it a bottom coming out? Like, want to buy? I would not go like that. So people take a classes, they understand why not. There is a lot of things, guys, I play. So all right, it's up to the people, man. People wants to buy because support here. You think this is that's not the way, guys. That's why I want everybody to take classes. You will understand why not. Just like here, when we were market was here, everybody thought 100-day moving average, we're gonna have a rejection. How come market going north here, and this is the resistance, and we're gonna have a rejection, and yeah, 2 days red, and everybody market gonna go down. People bought up puts, blah 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 blah, and then look at that, market went up all the way here. You see that? I was saying nope, we're not gonna go down. Despite this much run up from here to here, about 1.5 months testing all the bear patience. So you don't want to go fast. Let the market maker go fast. Okay, bullish diversion is there.
Don't be first and don't be last.
Yes. Perfecto.
Man, this was a crazy week.
Yeah, enjoying it. Okay, I'm in 3700 call, paid $5.90. Too early, I took a trade, but I might exit it because the wind is super south. I know market gonna go down, but I'm just waiting what it can bring. We have a look at this resistance. You see, this is resistance. You might rejection. Oh, I don't like what I see, man. I wanted to break that one. Only thing is I like is divergence. Other than that, the rejection. So I want to wait. Sorry. $5.60. We need the trend line to broken. You see this trend line, and just based on the divergence, I was trying to enter early, but it's not a good idea actually. So watch out, guys. Okay, watch out on things. I need those slightly going upwards. Here we go. We need to break that damn thing. Right here are the resistance, but all the EMAs and everything. Let's see.
Josh, this kind of looks like a giant bear flag on Apple if you're looking at the drop down from the pre-market. And then this is an ascending channel right here. The resistance 150.50.
Yeah.
And when it hits that, this thing might just fall through 150.
Possible looks like too for me. Man, there's a weakness on the market. Poke through the things. Yep, sloping support, sloping resistance. Just a second. Let's look at the flow. Wow, still has a Apple going down a little bit. The flow is going down, so that means little turning bullish now. So let's take a look at it. SPY still puts is heavy, man. Gotta be careful, guys. Watch out. I don't think so here. I'm out. I don't want to be part of this. Resistance is still intact. I'll wait. Whenever you take like this, there is no setup. You got to play with the coins. You can't go crazy because you need a proper confirmation. One confirmation you could lose. Only the MACD is helping you, but all the EMAs and trend lines and everything is against you. Loading. SPY, look at that. Has to go lower. I think they want to finish the line today, right now, or we want to do later. Look at the wedge is breaking downward, guys. Look at that Apple. Yep. Market wants to do the finish line now. But the MACD doesn't tell me that. MACD say I want to go north. Price is saying gonna go south. You see the game? Yep. Look, over here all the puts are coming in. Yeah, but I don't like this setup, so I'm not gonna go. Sit down.
All the MACDs and all the time frames are pointing down. Is that a good indicator?
Yep. But I don't like to stay in the trade, so it's not okay to me. It's okay. I want to preserve what I made. I'm targeting after some time later, 3 o'clock maybe. Okay, this is the bull run coming in. You watch. 5:10, 5:30. This is divergent, guys. Bullish. 3700 call is right now $5.20. I don't want to enter, but market wants to go little north, little bit. But price actions are like okay, bounce coming in on Apple, SPY. Soft landing. Yep. I will be bullish when this trend line go and break, and linear line also little resistance break, then only, until then is bearish. So, but I don't want to go in bearish right now in terms of buying puts and all, because it's 12:30, man, market, it might be an autopilot. I don't like the setup.
Oh, another thing is too, people are saying Powell speaks at 2.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. Yeah.
Apple broke that bear flag downward.
Yep. Yep. Apple looking big. Market wants to go. Yep. $3.50. I mean, put same 3635. Paid $3.50 put. There we go. Go baby go. Roll baby roll. Now $5. Nope, sorry. $4.10. Give me $4.25 for $50. Man. Yep. Yep, right there. Man. $4.50 already there, but I'm just $4.60 wants to go, still wants to go down. $4.60. $4.50, I'm out. 28% profit. Good enough. If I would have hold it, it would be 35. That's fine, perfect. Look at the wicks, 30 cross. Look at weakness. $4.70. 1 second.
Oh, sorry.
Go ahead.
No, I had a quick question because, this run that we had to the downside with Apple, I sold puts and I made money off of it. So how does that happen?
You sold the put, you were bullish.
Yeah, it's just because of like my moment, one of my indicators, it showed me that there was, more calls than puts at that level, even though it was going down. It went from 49 to 57.
Interesting. Market still has a weakness. Now the call coming in, watch out. Watch out. Amazon is, yeah, Amazon is touchdown. Let's see Amazon break the wedge. Amazon, yeah, right now still Amazon has a room to go. Apple has going down, so we go 3635, 560. Okay, I mean 560. Man, I paid $12. If I would have held it, I would have made more money, right? But uh-oh. 580. Ticks out, VIX is still popping. No man, this is coming back. Setup like this, I'd go small, because why? We already ran up too much, right? When you make something you go small, you just entertain yourself, that's it. VIX is popping. Look at that, 31 VIX. VIX is 31 now, almost close to. That means baby wants to roll. Baby wants to roll. Apple is still holding. Yeah, baby wants to roll. We got 90 likes. Let's do it 100. When we do 100 right here, baby will fast roll.